I'm no longer in college and I'm going to beauty school. Like, this is literally a dream for me. Hey guys, today is my first day of beauty school. I'm super excited. It is currently, what time is it? Hey Siri, what time is it? Alright, so it's 6:53 right now. My hair, it's still a little wet from last night because I washed it. I brought down the blow dry brush, so that's what I'm gonna do to it. But I wanted to do my skincare first while I just washed my face. So I'm gonna get into that, and then I'm gonna do my makeup, or not like makeup, but I'm gonna do whatever makeup I'm doing after I do my hair, just because I feel like it makes the most sense to just do it that way. I want to be done getting ready by 8 o'clock. No, I want to be done getting ready by like 7:30, 7:45. Honestly, last night I could not fall asleep and it was really annoying. Like I said, I'm gonna do my makeup after I do my hair. So I'm gonna move the camera because I gotta do my hair. Alright guys, so I'm done with my hair. It obviously does not look the best. It kind of looks very poofy, but that's because I really rushed. Just mainly to get it dry. I'm just gonna go over it with the straightener like at the end of getting ready, like when I'm done. So right now I'm gonna change my clothes and then I'm gonna do the makeup because it is already 7:19. Hi guys, so this is my outfit. Black shirt, kind of black jeans. They're kind of like that wash that it kind of looks faded, and then my Converse. I don't think I'm gonna straighten my hair because I kind of like it fluffy. So I'm gonna get started with my face. I'm gonna use my brow freeze. So funny thing, I kind of hate my outfit just because my jeans, I want to get new black jeans, and they also fit me baggies. Oh my, how does this keep falling? Sorry, the camera keeps like falling, but they also fit me baggy, which is really annoying. Well, it's not annoying, but it's just like, I'm gonna get fitted jeans because I feel that's more school attire. I feel like I look more casual rather than I'm going to beauty school. I feel like I'm gonna wear this mask. Yeah, I'll wear this one. So right now, before I go, I'm just kind of packing my bag with snacks and portable charger, keys, anything I really need. Gonna need that. Hi guys, I'm in the car. Obviously, if you've been watching me, you can tell that I am in a different car. I'm not going to talk about the reason right now. I'll talk about it in a different video. I'll talk about it in a different video because I really just don't want to talk about it. But I'm on my way now to school. I wanted to go to Wawa first, like I said. It's 8 o'clock right now. And I'm really excited. I'm really super excited to just go and be there. But I'm also really nervous because I'm terrible at meeting new people, making friends, all of that. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm really nervous, honestly. I don't have anything to talk about because I'm so fucking nervous. I'm so excited. I can't believe I'm actually doing this. Like, I dropped out of school. Well, it wasn't like that sounds so bad. I'm no longer in college and I'm going to beauty school. Like, this is literally a dream for me. Before I left, I had a yogurt, like one of those, the Chobani flip cups. Those are so good. If you've never had one of those, you should have one. The one I ate was like the Coco Loco nut or something like that. It's Greek yogurt on the one side, and then the other side, the one I had, it was like coconut, almonds, and dark chocolate. Sunflower, my eyes won't see more than a melody. I don't wanna make you feel bad, but I've been trying hard not to talk to you. I couldn't want you anymore. Kiss in the kitchen like it's a dance floor. Girl, you're mine. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need. This is a great song. This song makes me feel just like a bad bitch.
Tell me where I get this feeling that you really wanna turn me on. Cause I see you trying, subliminally trying. But before I lead you on, tell me what's your motive.
Alright guys, I'm at Wawa, it looks packed, so we're gonna be on a mission. I gotta get my food and get out. So I'll be back. Okay. So I'm done in Wawa. I'm about to be on my way to the school. I'm gonna go to the school first and then show you guys like what I got and everything because I want to find parking, and I know it's hard to find parking. It was not nearly as busy as it looked outside. Like, I think more people were just like at the gas station because I don't know where all these people are, but there's mad cars out here and there was like 3 people inside.
Cool. I spend my time just thinking about you.
Meet me halfway, right up the borderline is where I'm going away for you.
There's like 3 people here. There's so much parking, it's ridiculous. And I'm never this early. I'm putting my stuff in this bag. I got these chips, they're really good. There's people now starting to come and I'm gonna get awkward about recording. So if I just, my mood or my vibe just kind of, that's why. I did also get a peach iced tea because Wawa's iced tea is literally the best iced tea. And then I got a hoagie. Okay, so it is 8:55. I don't really know if I have to like get out or where I have to go. I have no clue. All right, I'm going. Hi guys, I'm on my lunch. I was gonna eat inside, but like there was not really seats. And I know like I have to make friends and stuff, but like, and my class is pretty big. There was a lot of girls, but also a lot of them were much older than me. So it's like, I don't know if I can really make friends. The few that were like around my age seemed really cool. So I do want to like introduce myself. I'm having a pretty good first day. We introduced ourselves and all I said was, hi, I'm Ashlyn. I'm 19 and I never fucking learned how to read.
What up? I'm Jared, I'm 19, and I never fucking learned how to read.
I'm just kidding. I didn't say that. I said, hi, I'm Ashlyn, I'm 19. Went to Kutztown. Wasn't for me. And then I said, and something interesting about myself is I like to film and edit. Anyway, this sandwich is hitting, so I'm gonna finish it and I'll be back.
1 week later.
Hey guys, so it's been a week since my first day, so I figured I should, tell you guys how it went and show you guys everything I got and how it actually was on my first day and the first week, because the first day I was really just exhausted, and then I was getting used to the schedule of working and going to school full time all in 1 week, so I didn't really have time to ever like finish the video. So this is gonna be me finishing it, showing you guys what I got, what we did, all that type of stuff, and I'm just gonna explain what we've done so far, like from the first day all the way till today. I'm gonna try to remember the first day as best as I can because it was a week ago. But yeah, I just ate lunch in my car and then we went back in, and the first day was nothing like the rest of the days were. So the first day was kind of like more of an orientation type of thing. We learned like more about the school itself. We learned the rules, regulations, everything we have to do, everything we're gonna be going over in the course, stuff like that, and like graduation requirements, all that stuff was basically the first day. And then we got our kits on the first day as well. Estheticians usually get a skincare kit, which is the main thing, and then their makeup kit. So I will be showing you guys both of those today. We got our books. Yeah, that's pretty much all we got. I'm gonna explain the next day, like throughout the week what we did, and then I'm gonna show you guys my kit. So basically what we've been doing, the day after that, we literally got right into it, which was great. So our schedule is set up like the first half of the day, we are in clinic, which is, we're learning like physically, like hands-on, everything's hands-on. So I remember the first thing we actually did was work on a mannequin, following a video, going through the movements of the pre-cleanse and second cleanse on a mannequin. And that's what we did like the first time we were hands-on. And then after that, we took a break, a 15, came back, did a little more of it, and then went on lunch. And then after lunch, we go into theory. Basically what we do in theory, we just learn about the products we're using. We learn about skin types, skin conditions, diseases, everything, anything you can think of that you're gonna need to know, we learn it in there. And yeah, so then the day after we did like the mannequins, we were actually doing each other. We were in partners. At first, it was so like weird because you're literally just touching a stranger's face. It was not weird after like the second time because that's what I'm going to school for. And like, I don't know, like I love how I feel like no judgment from everyone around me, and it just kind of feels comfortable, and like it's really cool to be in that environment that like it's so positive, everyone's going for the same thing, everyone has the same goals, same mindset. Like I love it. I just remember like being so nervous on my first day. There's 18 girls in my class, which is a lot, and the way it's set up, like I want to be able to record in theory, like, you know, like just show me taking notes or whatever it is, whatever the case is, but I'm literally right in the front. Like I'm the one chair right in the front of the classroom, which I guess is good because I'm always paying attention, but not for recording purposes. So I don't think I'm gonna be ever filming in the classroom, but I will be filming in clinical, like when we're actually doing stuff, which is probably what you want to see anyway. As for meeting people, which I was super nervous about, I met a couple people actually. Everyone there is really, really nice. There is some older women there and older gentlemen. There's one gentleman in my class. I did make a couple of friends, I'm pretty sure. After we did the mannequins, like I said, we did each other, and then we were also assigned a project, which was a goal board project. So then the next week, the Monday, the goal board project was due. I'll show you guys my goal board. So we had to, sorry, this is very awkward, but we had to do 5 short-term personal goals, 5 long-term personal goals, 5 professional short-term goals, and then 5 long-term professional goals. So this is what mine looks like, but we had to present that on Monday. I was very nervous, but it wasn't even that bad. And then we also took a test. My first test, I got a 95. And then Wednesday, which was today, was my first practical exam. I don't know what you would really call it, but we had a test on the facial. So we had our first facial test, and I was so scared I was not gonna meet the time. And right when the timer went off, I finished, like I was done. This is my skin kit, and this is my kit for the makeup. So I'm gonna show you the skin stuff first. We also got our smocks, which I will show you, and my ID. I'll show you guys that. So in the kit, when you open it, it looks like this. It's really big. I'm gonna go through these 2 first. The Solar Defense Booster, Pre-Cleanse, which we've been using every day. My goggles that I have to wear when I'm doing the facial because you can't just be exposed to someone wearing no mask with just a mask. You have to cover your eyes. And then I have the Multivitamin Power Recovery Mask. I have a toner, the special cleansing gel. I leave it in here because it doesn't like close, so I don't want it to spill everywhere. And then I have the Ultra Calming Cleanser. And then in this like clear pocket, like in this part, these are the sponges that we use. They look like this. They're wrapped in a towel right now. I'm gonna leave them out to air dry because we did do facials today. And basically when you get facials done, your partner uses your kit because it's your products. And when I do my partner's facial, I use her kit. And it's like that. But when we get actual clients, like when we're allowed to take clients, we use the stuff from the school, which is still the same stuff from our kits. It's just because they have like more that we could use on our clients, so we still have our own stuff and we don't run out of it so fast. My headband is in here. This is for when you wrap the towel, you pulled it down with this so it stays secure. My brush to apply the mask. And then we have the skin fitness plans. These are basically what we have to use when we have clients, so we can recommend them products to use at home, how to use the products. Behind the clear pocket, there's like a bigger pocket. So we have the Active Moist, which we have been using every day. It's just a moisturizer. And then we have the Daily Microfoliant. We have a conductive mask base, a massage gel cream, and then post-extraction solution, exfoliant accelerator 35. And then we have the multi-active scaling gel and the calming botanical mixer. And then we have the Dermalogica Pro multivitamin power exfoliator. They're just like capsules. And then I have here, it's a Dermalogica smock. I don't use it when we're working on our partners just because I don't want to get it dirty yet. So we're supposed to use that when we get like actual clients, so that's when I'm gonna use it. But yeah, so that is basically my kit. looks like this. It's really big. And then there's my makeup kit, which I don't have to have with me every day because we haven't started makeup yet. And I kind of squeezed everything in here. I'm actually, while we're doing this, while I'm showing you everything, I'm gonna take everything out of the packaging and organize it. But the brand that we use is Mud Makeup. So we got a palette. This is basically just like to put the shadows in. This is a palette like that you can mix foundations, eyeshadow, like whatever you have to mix, you mix it on here. We have powder puffs, some makeup sponges, and then these are all the like shadows and blushes we got. As I open them, I'll show you guys them before I put them in the palette. So this first one is a blush and it's in the shade Berry. And then there's another blush and it's in the shade Glow. And then everything else are just eyeshadows. We have the shade Berrywood, Chamois, I don't know. This is probably the prettiest shade, Cashmere. We have the shade Graphite, Spanish Gold. The last shade is Taupe. It just looks like this. So now the palette looks like this. We have some brushes. We have some disposable spoolies, an eye pencil, a lip pencil, a mascara. This is the tube, I just took it out. We have 2 lipsticks, and one is in the shade Havana. This is Ladybug. And then we have a spatula to mix foundations and stuff, a loose powder in the shade Zero. There was 2 different kits you could have got. There was the light medium and then the medium dark. And yeah, so you get 4 foundations. This is shade Light 1, Light 4, Medium 1, and Medium 3. So that's all the makeup I have, and now I have to put everything back. But yeah, for the most part, I've really been loving school. And it is hard with like work and everything because I still have to work after school sometimes and then on the weekends. So I don't really have a day off, which sucks, which is why I didn't post last week. So I'm trying really hard to get this video up by Friday. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much how my first day of school went as an esthetician student. And I am definitely going to be recording and vlogging more because when I was looking into schools and getting into like wanting to do this, I was, you know, watching videos on YouTube and wanting information. So I know people like to watch these videos, so I'm gonna try to do my best to film them. I really want to share my experience and I want to document it. So thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications if you want to get notified every single time I post. Follow me on Instagram at beautybyvils to follow me on my journey as an esthetician student. And as always, I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.